Hello and welcome. We are making progress from where we stopped in the last lesson, which was the drawing of the windows and the doors from the projection from our floor plan. Now that we have been able to get our windows and the doors, what next is for us to now finish up with this part that I'm taking my cursor to show. Now this thick two lines shows the natural ground level. So we want to tell us what happens at this natural ground level. From this first one, this infill that we did here is called the 150 mm oversight concrete slab. After that, you have your 300 mm hardcore. That's the hardcore that you are going to place before you now have your well-rammed earth filling. By the time you enter into construction, you understand all these things. So now we want to draw our earth and also arch the hardcore so as to show us what we are talking about. So we go to line, but now we need to change our by layer. Let's change it to 0. Let's go to, first of all, the line that we now need to use in this case is not a straight line, so we need something that is coily. So let's go to this tool here, which we call spline. You see it from draw. You click draw, you see spline, either you spline fit. Let's use spline fit. So we just start from here. You see that it's in auto, so you go to press your auto F8. You now begin to click freehand. Don't be afraid, just click up and down, click, and by the time you finish, you press your enter and you complete the command. If your enter is not working, you just press escape. You complete your command. Very simple and easy. You can adjust the way you like. Click any of the blue points that you are seeing, you adjust the line. So once you are through with this one makes us to able to achieve, make us the what do we call it now, to have a boundary. That's the lateritic earth that we want to do. So let's first of all arch our hardcore. So let's go to our arch. Let's go to this first one, arch, and then it takes us there. We now go and look for what looks like our hardcore. Let's see what looks like our hardcore. Now we can use, you search for it until you see what looks like your hardcore. Once you see what looks like your hardcore, then you can make use of it in this. Yes, you pick gravel. By the time you pick gravel, you change the angle, the scale, you change it to 33. You now bring it to come and check. It's still small, so let's increase it 33. Let's see what it will give us. Say, hey, this one is okay. So you enter that one, you press enter again, click this place, you enter, press enter again, you click inside of this place and you finish. So we are finished with the hardcore. What remains now is to arch the earth. You go back again, you left click your heart, you now go and find the one that they call earth. So this is earth. You click it to see whether it's big enough. What I used to do in my own is to change it to 45 to make it look nice. So you can change it to 45 to make it hair. So after that, you continue with it. You continue with it until you finish arching the whole of the. You add this one too. You discover that it's showing a closed boundary could not be determined. So that means this place is not closed. So you need to check it well. Put this one well and go back to your arch and make sure you arch it well. Now you can see that it has now been able to arch. So next thing for us now is to draw our section of our roofing struts. So let's go back to our layers. We go to roof. So we now have to move this our section to where the roof is. So before you do that, you need a line where you use drop it. So what you do, you click line, or you go to extension like XL, enter, V, enter. You now zoom to that place. You click this, the exterior of this line that is here. By the time you click it, you zoom out, you press escape. You now bring what you have been doing since. You move it, you window on it, M, enter. You now move it from this place. You move it to somewhere here, so that we can draw our roof and get what we want. So by the time we move it, we'll now begin to draw roof. So we can now go to line, get this line, just get a line from that place, or you can use extension line too, whatever you desire. What's the height of our roof? You can say 3 meters. Let's assume it's 3 meters. 3 meters. O, enter. After you press O, enter, you press enter, you click the height of your roof. You now begin to project all these lines. You begin to project to get how your roof will look like. But before we go far, we can even do something like this.